Alright, hi everyone. This is the home studio kit, and this is what comes in your kit. Really quickly, this is the light with the stand. This is your lavalier microphone that you can actually connect to your phone. This works for both Android and Apple. And if you do have an iPhone or an Apple product, we do bring the lightning to headphone jack adapter so that you can use that. Alright guys, so this is the Ringlight, and we're going to go ahead and unbox this so you can see everything that's in here, and then we'll go ahead and put that together so that you can see the instructions and how to put that together yourself. Alright, first thing we have in the box is the Ringlight itself. Okay, and it does come with a remote control attached to the wire so that you can change the temperature or the brightness of the light. And it is USB powered, so you can plug this into your computer for as a power source, or you can plug it into a USB power adapter, plug it straight into the wall. Okay. Next thing we have is the USB power adapter itself. So if you don't want to use this, use the computer as your power source, you do have this available to you. Okay. Now, these next few things are the brackets, and this is where the actual light and the phone or any other device that you're using, here we go, the device that we're using to record yourself or record your lectures. Okay, these all look like nothing right now, but pretty soon we'll put them together so that you can see what that will look like and how that will work for you. Okay. This is another piece. This is actually the piece that will hold the holder and be connected to the bracket itself. Right. And you do get a user manual, so if you don't want to listen to this video, you can definitely go ahead and look through the user manual and put all of that together yourself. Okay, and then the last thing we have in the box is the actual stand itself. Okay, here we go. All right, last one. This is just the extender. All right, next video we're gonna put it all together. All right, this is the demonstration and instruction for putting together your tripod and your ring light. All right, first thing we want to do is grab the actual tripod. We're gonna go ahead and spread the legs out like so. Okay, so you can't go anymore. Then we want to loosen up this bolt right here. Okay, and loosen it up just a little bit. We don't want to loosen it up till it comes off. We want to just loosen it up so that the top part we can pull through, like so. Right? Okay, so now you'll see that it can't go any further. It's at the bottom. Now we want to go ahead and tighten that. Okay, once we tighten that, we want to go up. Okay, and then we want to loosen up this next one, because this is where we're going to extend it. Okay, so once we loosen that up enough, should be able to extend that piece. Go ahead and tighten that so that it stays in place. Okay, and now we do want to extend this just a little bit more, and this is just going to be for demonstration, so if you don't want to extend this any further, you don't have to, but this is just so that you can see how far it'll go and how tall it'll be. Alright, so now we've extended all of those pieces. We want to go ahead and put that down. Okay, so should be able to put it down and adjust it so that it's not crooked or anything. So this is the bracket, right? This is the brackets that's going to hold the actual light itself. Plus, on the other side, we'll be able to add the phone mount, right? So, just like that, we're going to go ahead and screw that onto the top. Okay. Go ahead and screw that until you can't anymore, not too tightly. Okay. All right. The next thing we want to do is go ahead and put the phone mount on. So There was this piece earlier that I had showed you in the unboxing of everything. Now this piece is going to go, you can screw that directly into the bracket. Now I'm going to unscrew it really quickly so I can show you exactly where there's an extra big hole on the end that we're going to want to screw that into. There's a line, but we want to screw it right into the edge. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and screw that in. Now, at the top there's this metal ball. This metal ball is basically the joint. So, if you grab the phone adapter, okay, you'll see on the back there's a screw. We're going to want to go ahead and unscrew that and take that completely off. We're going to want to put that piece through the extender and where the joint is. Then we're going to go ahead and put the joint into the phone mount. Now you're going to have to click it in there, so just push a little bit, put a little bit of force into that so that it clicks in. Once it's clicked in, we're going to go ahead and bring this I don't even know what this is called, this the screwy thing. We're gonna go ahead and screw the screwy thing into the back and tighten that up so that you have that. Okay? Then once you're ready, now you see that you have this extender that you can move to different places, and you can adjust to wherever you'd want the phone to record, right? All right, so once we have that part on, we want to go ahead and put the light on. And this is going to be the last part. Okay, so at the bottom of the light, you'll see that there is a hole, right? And on the bracket, you'll see on the one of the sides, the side that is up the highest, will have a little screw that we can screw into the bottom of the light. Okay, so we just want to go ahead and put that on there. Make sure you line that up and just screw it in. Okay, so now as you can see, we have the light up, we have the phone adapter on, okay, and once we're ready, you can go ahead and plug this in to, like I said, to your computer if you'd like to use that as a power source, or into the power adapter with a USB, a female USB insert on the other side so that you can plug that right into the wall. Okay, once you're ready with that, next thing you want to do is go ahead and actually place your phone into the bracket. Okay, so this extends, so we want to extend it as far as possible. Put your phone in there, and voila, there you go, you're all set. You can go ahead and, like I said, adjust this to any angle, any view that you would like, down, up, anything at all. And then once you're ready, you turn on the light, and you're all ready to go.